What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we have the Unear A30 by a company called Uniarch. Now this here is a company that is already making like cameras and like security stuff, so them making a conference camera doesn't seem too out of the ordinary. However, this one here is an AI built-in program allowing you to go ahead and have like noise cancellation, echo cancellation, and it does have a 115-degree wide angle lens, so that's actually great, so you can conference with a whole team of people rather than just one individual. Okay, so this here is our packaging. Pretty simple stuff, nothing too exciting. All right, so this here is our contents. So we have our user guide. So it talks about the installation, how it's supposed to be at the end of the table to get everybody in it. So this includes a 4-element omnidirectional microphone array microphone. So that's actually quite nice. So you got the 4 different microphones on the top. This will give you a good, nice, crisp quality sound. Again, shoots up to 5 meters. This is our USB Type-C. And this here is our A30. Now it's got this nice wide angle lens camera here on the front. It says Uniarch on here. It's got the speaker on the bottom here. And then it's got, looks like a rubber stopper to kind of keep it in place. Your USB-C cable will go in the back, running it to the computer. You have your buttons here on the top. Now these are like more or less touch buttons, so there's not like any kind of feedback from it, so just keep that in mind. You have a camera button, a microphone button, volume up, volume down. Again, more like a touch screen kind of display. So you do have to plug it into the device that we're using it, and that should essentially do the trick. Right, so let's go ahead and hop on the computer, plug this thing in, and try this thing out and see how this works. All right, so time to put it to the test. We'll plug in our Uniarch, and this will have some notification lights on the top indicating that it is connecting, and we're ready to go. All right, so to give you a quick test run, we'll open up Zoom, and surprisingly it connected to it quite fast. If I click on our settings, I can pull up our camera, so this should give us an idea what it's about. So if I click on video, there we are. That is our nice wide angle lens. Look at that. That is actually quite incredible. And it's designed for the purpose of putting it at the end of the table where everyone can go ahead and essentially sit down and talk, as the microphone does reach 5 meters. And with the adaptive sound, it does kind of block any background noise. So it is quite spot on and very high def. Now, usually with wide angle lens, you do get that fisheye, but this thing actually hides it quite well. So that is our wide angle lens. So for a 4 megapixel camera, not bad. All right, moving on, we have our audio mode. So audio will give us an idea of what this might sound like. Now, right now, we're gonna test out the microphone mode. So let's try this out. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. And let's see if that works.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. All right, so that was actually pretty spot on. Even down to the whispering, it was able to pick me up from quite a distance. So this is actually really nice. Now, you also have the speaker test mode, so I can test the speaker. That is actually quite loud. Now, with that said, you do have the volume control on the top here, so I can lower it by hitting minus. I can bring it up. Now, for instance, if I want to disable the camera, all I have to do is click on disable camera, and it'll show an orange ring. This tells you that the camera has been disabled, and to verify that, we can click on video mode, and as you can see, there's no video. We enable it again. Literally, instantaneously, it showcases it. Blue means it's connected via USB. So anyways, disabling the mic next. So if I disable the mic, it'll turn red like that. and you can even see in our mic settings that it has been disabled. If I hit enable, it'll start picking it up again. Disable, red. If I hit the mic disable and the camera disable, it'll blink between both orange and red, indicating that both of them are currently off. And you just re-enable them just by simply pressing it. So it is quite spot on, and it is very sensitive, which is great. Now, obviously it's not an eyesore, and it's definitely really cool, and I would have to say that it's a great piece for any business. So kind of gives you an idea what that's about. Now, I would highly recommend this, especially if you do have a business or if you hold meetings. I myself will personally be using this going forward, so definitely a great device. Now, if you guys had any questions at all, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.